Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play little by little. This approach helps you achieve big goals by focusing on small, consistent actions. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you'll make steady progress, one step at a time. It's about building momentum through daily effort, ensuring your journey is sustainable and enjoyable. Let's dive into how you can apply this powerful strategy to any objective. To begin, take your main goal and break it down into smaller, more manageable pieces. Think of it like a puzzle. Each piece is a mini task. Aim for about 5 to 10 subtasks, each requiring perhaps 30 minutes to 1 hour of focused effort. This makes the overall objective seem less daunting and much more achievable. You'll gain clarity and a clear path forward. Consistency is key when playing little by little. Try to dedicate at least 15 minutes or even just 10 minutes every single day to your goal. This regular engagement builds a powerful habit. Over a week, that's 70 minutes of progress. Tracking your efforts, perhaps with a simple journal or app, will show you how those small steps accumulate into significant strides. Patience is vital. Even with a little by little approach, you might encounter challenges. Don't get discouraged. If you hit a roadblock, take a moment to reevaluate your strategy. Perhaps adjust your daily time commitment from 50 minutes to 10, or break a subtask further. Seeking encouragement from a friend can also provide a boost. Remember, every small step forward is progress towards your ultimate success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.